Chlorophysis. The member of chlorophysis are commonly called green algae. The plant body may be unicellular, collinear, or filamentous. They are usually grass green due to the dominance of pigment chlorophyll A or B. The pigments are localized in definite chloroplast. The chloroplast may be discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral, or ribbon-shaped in different species. Most of the members have one more storage bodies called pyranid located in the chloroplast. Pyranid contain protein besides starch. Some algae may store food in the form of oil droplet. Green algae usually have a rich cell wall made of inner layer of cellulose and outer layer of pectose. Vegetative reproduction usually takes place by fragmentations. Asexual reproduction is by flagella juice spore. Produced in juice spore, the sexual reproduction show considerable variation in the type of formation of sex cell, and its may be the isogamous or oosogamous. Some commonly found in green algae are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Phyllothrox, Spirogara, and Chara. फियोफाइसिस द मेंबर ऑफ फियोफाइसिस ऑफ ब्राउन एल्गीज। ये जो फियोफाइसिस होते हैं वो ब्राउन एल्गी आर फाउंड प्राइमरी इन मैरीन हैबिटेट। जो फियोफाइसिस होते हैं वो कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? मैरीन हैबिटेट में। दे शो ग्रेट वेरिएशन इन साइज ऑफ फॉर्म। ये बहुत ज़्यादा वेरिएशन शो करते हैं अपने। दे रेंज फ्रॉम सिंपल ब्रांच, इनकी रेंज सिंपल होती है। फिलामेंटस होते हैं जैसे एक्टोकार्पस। प्रोफ्यूज ब्रांच फॉर्म एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कल्प्स which may reach a height of 100 meter. They possess chlorophyll A and C, carotenoid and xanthophylls. They may color from olive green to various shade of brown depending upon the amount of xanthophyll pigment fermentation present in. Food is stored as a complex carbohydrate which may in the form of laminaria or mentule. The vegetative cell have a cellulose wall usually covered on the outside by gelatinous coating of eline. The protoplast contain in addition to plast a centrally located vacuole. A nucleus. The plant body is usually attached to the substrate by holoplast and has a stalk. The strips and leaves like photosynthetic organ. The brown. Vegetative reproduction take place by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction is most brown algae is flagellata zoospore that are the pear-shaped and have two unequal literally attached flagella. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, ensiogamous, or oosogamous. Union gametes may take place in water or within the ooganium. Oosogamous species, the gamete are pyramid, pear-shaped, and bear two laterally attached flagella. The common form are Ectocorpus, Diocton, Lamidia, Sarogamus, Fucus, आदि. The rhodophysis, the member of rhizomes are commonly called the red algae. Because of the patterns red pigment right within their body, majority of the red algae are marine with a greater concentration found in the warmer areas. They occur in the both well-lighted regions close to the surface of water and also at a great depth in ocean where relatives little light portrays. The red thallus of most of the red algae are multicellular. Some of them have complex body organization. The food is stored as a forbidden star, which is very similar to any lotus algae in structure. The red algae usually reproduce vegetative by fragmentation. They reproduce usually by non-motile spore and sexually by non-motile division. Algae are then main character. Classes name मेजर पिगमेंट स्टोर फोर्ड क्या होता है, इसमें क्या क्या स्टोर फोर्ड होता है, सेल वॉल, फ्लैजिला एंड पोजीशन इंस्टीट्यूशन हैबिटेट होता है। तो क्लोरोफाइसिस उसमें कॉमन नेम क्या है? ग्रीन एल्गीज। इसमें कौन कौन सा होता है? क्लोरोफिल ए और बी होता है। इसमें कौन सा फूड होता है? स्टार्च होता है। सेल वॉल सेल्यूलोज होता है। इसमें 2-8 इक्वल एपिकल होता है। ये फ्रेश वाटर बैकिश मतलब खारे पानी में और साल्ट वाटर पाए जाते हैं। फिर फियोफाइसिस, ये फियोफाइसिस को क्या ब्राउन एल्गी बोलते हैं, जिसमें क्लोरोफिल ए और सी होता है। ये मेंटोल लेमिनर होता है, इसमें सेलुलोज अलाइन होता है, सेल वॉल होती है, अनइक्वलेटरल होता है। ये फ्रेश वाटर में रेयर पाया जाता है। बैकविश वाटर मतलब खारे पानी में, सॉल्ट वाटर में पाए जाते हैं। फिर रोडोफाइसिस जो होते हैं रेड एल्गी होते हैं, क्लोरोफिल ए और डी होता है, फियोक्विंथ्रिन होता है, फ्लोरिडीन स्टार्च होता है, सेलुलोज, पैक्टिन एंड पॉलीसल्फेट एस्टर होता है, ये एब्सेंट होता है। फ्रेश वाटर, सम ब्रैकिश वाटर, सॉल्ट ऑफ वाटर मोस्ट होता है। Gamete sexual reproduction in oocysts complete by the complex post-fertilization development. The common member are Polythera, Gracilia, and gelatin. Bryophyta. Bryophyta include the various mosses and liverwort that are found commonly growing in moist shady area in the hills. हिल्स में पाई जाती है। ब्रायोफाइटा कहाँ पाई जाती है? हिल्स में। आर्कोनियम, कॉमन गप, एराइजोट्स होते हैं, एंथ्रोडोस होते हैं, जिम्नोफोराइजोट होते हैं, कैप्सूल होता है, सेटाल लीव्स, सेप्रोफाइटा, गैमेटोफाइटा, मेन एक्सिस राइजोट होता है, द एंथ्रोइड ब्रांच होता है, ब्रांचेस राइजोट, कॉमन गैप्स होता है, आर्गोनियम ब्रांचेस होता है आदि। ब्रायोफाइटा, लिवेट मार्चेस, फीमेल थैलेसिस, मेल थैलेसिस, मोसो, फ्यूनेरिया, गैमेटोफाइट, सेप्रोफाइट, सैल्जिला, गैमेटोफाइट। Bryophyta are also called the amphibians of the plant kingdom because these plants can live in soil but are dependent on water for sexual reproduction. They usually occur in damp, humid, and sedate localities. They play an important role in plant succession of bark soil. ठीक है, the plant body of Bryophyta is more differentiated than hat of algae. Its thalamus like posted erect and attached to the substrate by unicellular or multicellular rhizoid. They lack true root, stem, or leaves. They may possess a root-like, leaf-like, or stem-like structure. The main plant body of Bryophyta is haploid. It produces gametes, hence is called gametophyte. The sex organ in Bryophyta are multicellular. The male sex organ is called antheridium. They produce biflagellata, anthrozoid. The female sex organ called the arconium is flask-shaped and produces a single cell. The anthrozoid are released into water where they come in contact with arconium and are authorized to fuse with the egg to produce the zygote. Zygote do not undergo reduction division immediately. They produce multicellular body called a saprophyte. The saprophyte is not a free living but attached to the photosynthetic gametophyte and derives nourishment from it. Some cells of the saprophyte undergo reduction division meiosis to produce haploid spores. These spores germinate to produce gametophyte. Bryophyta is general are of the little economic import, but some mosses provide food or harvest animal. Birds and other mammal species, such as moose, provide peat that have long been used as a fuel, packing material, transshipping living material because they are the capacities of the hold water. Moss, along with the lichens, are the first organism colonies. Rocks hence are of great ecological importance. They decompose rocks, making the substance suitable for the growth of higher plant. Since most from the dense mats on the soil, they reduce the impact of falling rain and prevent soil erosion. The biophyta are divided into liverwort and mosses. Thank you.